Alright, this engine ran for about half an hour, 45 minutes, but it's been a long day and I need to go do some other stuff tonight. So, big day of playing with engines and filming all kinds of stuff, and hopefully I'll get to see how some of this footage turns out, since it's, you know, 2 new cameras still playing with. Oh yeah, and there was a few drops of fuel left in there, and maybe if I hadn't been impatient it would have run out in the next 5 minutes or so. Oh well, everything ran real nice today. And the ET6 is always a cute, or this is the 7. The ET7 is always a cute little engine.